Hey friends, if you encounter the error 1603 fatal error during installation in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what we have to do. First of all, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and go to disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and click on delete files. If this helps, well and good. If this doesn't help, then the next solution will be as follows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Okay, so these two solutions should be helpful. And if it still doesn't help, then you will have to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and then type SFC space / scan now. And if that doesn't help either, then it means that you will have to try downloading the setup folder once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.